Yeah, that's from Grandma Judy. You want to open it up?
Who's this? Who's it from?
We already said.
Boyfriend.
Oh, wow. That's nice. That looks nice and warm.
I got a budgie.
Oh, wow. Let's see it. Let's see it. Look at those sparkles. That is pretty.
Bicycles.
Sparkles.
And I found I play.
Yeah, can you pull it out?
What is it? Here, pull it out by the handle.
Oh, it's a Mr. Potato Head.
Oh, cool. It's a tater tub.
Open the door.
Yeah.
Open the door.
Go ahead.
What's a crocodile? It looks like
Those are his feet.
What's in there, Mimi? Show me.
Yeah. You have Mr. Potato Head at school, don't you? Oh, a silly face. Oh, and he's got eyes.
Is that a movie? I think you have it. Oh, no, it's this. Is this thing? Is this? Look at this way. Look at this way. Never very. Open it. Oh, we got all the
Mimi, can you say thank you to Grandma and Grandpa?
Thank you, Grandma.
Good job.